off, but yeah, welcome to Buffalo. How far can you see in front of us? Like 30 feet? Maybe like 50 yards. So I can see that pickup truck probably about 50 yards in front of us. But yeah, this is life in Western New York. Literally just drove this highway, I would say an hour ago at the most. Clear skies, beautiful day, lake effect snow warning comes back over the radio, and boom, whiteout. So this is where we are. Brilliant. If you don't have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, you are screwed. Absolutely screwed in this weather. Yeah, that's why so many Western New Yorkers drive all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive vehicles. And we put snow tires on our vehicles so that when we go over huge bridges like I'm about to show you, that we safely do so. Because people drive like idiots in this weather. I could probably turn my windshield wipers off. Might be able to see better. But yeah, check this bridge out. This is super fun in a snowstorm. With zero visibility. Welcome to New York. And I'll show you. I'm not sure if you can see that. The temperature. Get closer to it. Bumping all over the place. 24. Yep, that's us. Welcome to New York. On this huge bridge that goes over the Niagara River. Super fun. Alright, I'm gonna go before I kill myself. If I've sent this, then I'm good. If not, I'm dead. Just kidding.